Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix low volume problem on Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in our Windows, and from here what we're gonna do first is that we can try and restarting our computer, and as simple as it could be the one that just solve your problem. So if you haven't tried this yet, then I suggest that you restart your computer. But if you have tried this and it's still not working, then what I suggest is go into the sound settings. Right here in your start menu, type in sound and go click here, sound settings, right here. So once you're here, what you want to do is that you want to make sure that your output device right here is correctly selected. So if you're using an external speaker, then make sure that you are selecting it right here, and make sure that the master volume is set to a high level right here so that you would be able to hear it. And then the next one is that you want to go and click here on manage sound devices and make sure that your output devices right here is working right here, and you can test it or make sure it's not disabled right here. And once you have done that, then now the next thing that we are gonna do is that we're gonna go here into the sound control panel. So click here and make sure that your playback right here, or your speakers right here is disabled, or if possible you want to select your speaker and click on set the default and then click on apply, and after that then you can now test it out and it's now working again. And if not, then you can right click on it and go into properties, and then from here go into levels and make sure that it's set right here, or you can go and experiment right here if you'd want to, if that would work better for you. But I suggest you have these settings right here, so make sure you copy my settings, and then after that you want to hit on apply. And as you can see, in my case I'll just be not applying this because my speaker is working fine, and then now exit this right here. And now what you're gonna do, once you have done this and it's still not working, then what I can suggest is that you want to go into your start menu again, and this time go into device manager. In device manager, in the control panel, and then from here you're gonna go for the audio inputs and outputs, and this way you want to expand this, and then from here go select your speaker and make sure that it's updated. So right click on it and tap on update driver, and then search automatically for drivers right here. And as you can see, in my case the best drivers for my audio is already installed right here, so I don't need to do anything. But if in your case it's not, then I suggest that you install it right away. And now I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna close this again. And that's basically it on how you can fix your low volume problem on Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.